Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Gordon.
And now the roles are reversed and Gordon's cutting my hair today, following a Brad Mondo tutorial.
But to my best abilities, of course.
So, yeah.
Alright.
So we have evidence of like how long my hair is, yeah.
Yeah, and it has absolutely no shape when it's dry. So, okay.
Alright.
So let's go. Yep. Okay, so starting with wet, which we already kind of are. We're just going to keep this damp so it doesn't dry too badly.
And I will link Brad's tutorial on this shag wolf haircut in the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And she has extremely thick hair, so we're gonna find out how this goes.
You can pause that if you want.
Yeah, I gotta brush this down. Okay, so we're gonna.
Oh wait, before you put it up, you need to cut off a bit from the bottom.
Yeah.
I want you to cut off like 2.5, maybe 3 inches at most.
Okay.
And you do that before you put it up.
Yeah, so I just brush it.
And it's just in a straight line you cut it.
Yeah, I brush it all down to the back. And I'm gonna take my nice brand new grandma donated hair shears.
Not the thinning ones, right? Those are just regular scissors?
Yes, these are the regular ones.
Okay. And you like, do you need a measurement tool or can you do like...
I think 2 to 3 inches is like... Well, I gotta get all the hair ends, right?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta even it all out. So I'm gonna say about yay from the bottom of your hair.
Agreed.
Well, from all of them. There's a few that are longer than that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we go. First, shorten cut. Now this isn't gonna be really noticeable. It's just gonna be...
Yeah. It's just to cut off the split ends.
Oh my goodness, your hair is fighting these shears. Okay.
How much hair was that?
In front.
That was a lot.
Yeah, well, that's all I'm doing. Don't worry.
Yeah, no worries.
Now we are done with the split ends. And now we're going to put it up in that nice, beautiful ponytail he was talking about.
And absolutely no buns. And it's not just a ponytail, like it goes on the top of my head.
Yeah. So I've actually got to put it
Like up, maybe up
here.
here. That's where my soft spot would be.
Yeah, I got to put it all the way up here. And this is going to suck for the first little bit.
Yeah, it's sucking already. Hair by Gordon.
Hair.
Sponsored by Ashley.
Yes, with a good donation of a lot of hair.
I just got a splash in my face.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Did I mention she's got very thick, and a lot of hair? Oh God, I'm trying to keep a hold of all of it, and it's just not cooperating. Oh God.
You poor soul.
I'm sorry if this hurts, by the way.
It's okay. Not really. It's morally just a lot of hair in my face.
Trust me, there's a lot of hair in my hands.
You only do it like twice, I think. Okay.
Oh god.
There we are.
I think that's good. Sorry.
Is that even high enough?
No, it's not.
Oh god.
Do that again. Okay.
The suspense.
I gotta move it forward. See, he gets it to stand right up. I don't get it.
Because my hair is a lot heavier. Alright, I think that is now finally the right position.
I think so too.
I can see myself in a mirror, just so you guys know.
Yeah. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
get
That looks accurate.
Okay, so since we don't want any more length to leave, apparently I have to take a lock out of the back.
Yeah, you could use a comb maybe to help you.
Yeah, I can do a comb. I can comb this all out.
You're supposed to take a lock out from the
Yeah.
back. So
Here, I'll use you hold that, and I'll just take that strand. It's
And
very
you-
short from the back. Okay, never mind. Oh my gosh. So let's take this out.
I think that might be the point.
Okay, so there. Pretty much that is the most that I'm going to be able to take off.
What's this? Oh, that's just shorter hair. Okay.
This time, let's try these.
I think you're supposed to do it above your fingers.
Not in between?
What'd he do?
He did in between.
Okay.
Scary.
It's okay. I love you.
I love you too. I'm not gonna mess up your hair on purpose.
It's okay. If anything, I could just go to a barber.
Okay, that is that. That step is now done.
Cool.
Cool. Now what? Okay, so now it's time to take it out. That's apparently all that's needed. Let's take this out.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
I think you skipped ahead a little too far.
Oops.
So, pause. You're supposed to part it in the middle and then kind of brush it, I think.
Yeah, okay. So let's do this part. honestly can't tell what a beautiful layering looks like, so. Okay, so right behind the ear, I'm supposed to section out a section of your hair. Okay, that's not really behind the ear. Let's do this. It's actually behind the ear because that's what he said.
And then do the same part on the other side.
Okay, now the same thing on the other side. Setting up this part sounds a lot easier
When you're a professional.
when you're a professional. Also when you're cutting every little bit out of it that you didn't like. But okay, that was very annoying, but I think I got it. Alright, let's brush them out. Alright, this is the scary part.
I know you have to like take one section, over direct it to the other side, and then you basically use the shortest strand as your reference point.
For the rest of it, yeah.
If
Okay.
that helps you. Oh, you're missing some hair here.
Well, that's the point. I have to use that. That's the last little bit. So I'm supposed to over direct the hair this way.
Okay, I see the shortest hair. I see it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now I take the rest of this and I'm supposed to somehow use the guide I just made Okay, that's that. Now I need to do the other side.
There we go.
Finally. So, after that, is that okay?
So a triangle piece. So like, yay? Combed, of course. Both.
This color. Yeah. Let's put it down.
Okay, hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Ready? So the triangle piece here. All right. And we're just taking from down from where your nose is.
Do my lip, please. Do my lip.
Okay. So Right there is fine.
Yeah. And now the other side.
Okay, well, according to Mr. Mondo, other than attempting to make sure there's no hard lines, which I don't think you can really see with Ashley's hair anyway. What do you think?
Well, can you finish combing it? It's nice. It's a lot lighter.
That's good.
Like, significantly lighter. One side is wetter. But overall, 20 out of 10.
Nice. Okay, so let's go blow dry. And we can show everyone with the photo after we're good.
Alright, and
All right.
that's that!
Okay, guys. You guys ready to see my brand new girlfriend? You come in now.
Hey!
So what do you think? I think I did pretty good for my first time ever.
I like it. I think it looks great.
It looks
360.
really so it actually worked out.
Yeah, he
Here
can
we go.
cut hair better than I can. Well, at least he uses a tutorial.
As we go.
Yeah.
So nice. I like it. Sorry, I don't mean to poke you. Your hair's just so thick.
No, it looks really good. I like it. The only thing I'm worried about is like when my hair like naturally air dries. That's the only thing I'm like really concerned about.
That layer down there is a little bit long, but it's okay. It works.
Yeah. Anyways, that's it for today's
All right.
video.
See you
In the next one, like and subscribe.